Welcome back to my morning report chart analysis videos on Tuesday the 7th of June with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's have a look at dollar yen now, and we can see that the risk appetite improvement is actually underway because we've got dollar yen that's rising. Dollar generally is under a little bit of pressure, or increasing pressure, I should say, as the European session is sort of moving through. But dollar yen is still higher, and that, as I said, reflects the improvement in risk. So, what are we doing with this chart? Well, we've had this rally yesterday, quite a sharp rally actually, quite a decent rally for around about over 100 ticks actually, but it's back into what I'm looking at as the resistance band. Sort of between 107.50 and 108.20, I think, is a band of resistance that I think that it'll be interesting to see if we start to see the rally failing again, because I think this is sort of there's still an outlook changing event, which was the big sell-off of last week, and the dollar is still likely to have to continue to reprice, I think, lower. Subsequently, I think that will be a driver of dollar yen lower. But of course, we've just had this near-term bounce, but I think bounce on this daily chart looks like it's going to be sold into, because you've got the momentum indicators which are still negatively configured, having crossed over on the MACD lines. You've got the RSI which has sort of fallen over. It is pretty well reflecting of the price action, with the RSI having fallen, just bouncing back towards not a million miles away from 50. But I think that intraday bounces or daily bounces are a chance to sell, and I think here we see this sort of hourly chart reflective of that. So you sort of rallying back into all this congestion around 108.20, between 107.50 and 108.20, and now we're back into this sort of this band of resistance. I think that is a sell zone pretty much. So I think around that 108.20 I think is a decent opportunity to sell. Now you've got further resistance up towards 109.10 and then 109.50. I'll get the crosshair, show you 109.10, which was a reaction low, but also reaction highs here in early June. So that's a pivot line, and 109.50, again an old pivot. So lots of resistance overhead that I think ultimately will cap the upside. Exactly when you're going to see that sell signal, I think at the moment obviously it is in rally mode, so just hold off perhaps and wait for the next sell signal. But I think it's likely to happen not in the not too distant future, and then you're probably going to see this rolling over again, for at least a test of the 106.35 level. But for now, we're just in sort of recovery mode for now, but I don't necessarily think it's going to last. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.